We'll guide you through how to add a website shortcut to the iPhone home screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a website shortcut on your iPhone home screen is really convenient because then you can go and tap on it and you can get taken straight to the website. So if you frequently go and access it and use it, this makes sense. As you can save a lot of time over time because you don't have to go and open up Safari, open up a new tab and go to the site. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. Make sure there's full guides so you know what to do step by step. What we need to do is go and open up Safari like so. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the site and then we can go to the specific web page as well. So let's tap on search and we can go and search for it, or you can just go straight to the site if you need the URL. But I want to go and search for GuideRealm in this case, and I want to do it to the GuideRealm channel. So I'll go and tap on it like so. So once you're on that specific page, then what you need to do is you want to go and head to the bottom right of Safari. Then you'd want to go and find these three dots. If your Safari looks different, you need to go and find the share button. So I'll press the three dots in this case, then I can go and press share, but in some cases it's just at the bottom. When you're on the share page, then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down to the bottom and you need to go and find the option for add to home screen. So it's that simple. It's a plus icon. You can tap on it. Now you can go and choose what it's called. So I just want it to be called GuideRealm. I don't need the YouTube. And what you can do is choose if you want to open it as a web app. I don't want that. I want to open it up in Safari. I'll then press add and then it'll go and appear there. So what you can then do is go and tap on it and it'll go and open up straight here. As you can see, we're now on the GuideRealm channel.